Do you know there are teas that are so potent that they can help shrink an enlarged prostate? Yes, you heard that right. These teas are filled with natural compounds that are effective in treating prostate and boosting prostate health. The roots or leaves of certain valuable plants are used in making these powerful teas. Which teas am I talking about, you ask? In this video, I will walk you through these teas that can be described as superheroes and explain the science behind their impact on an enlarged prostate. But before we get down to the real deal, let's expand a little on prostate. Prostate enlargement, also known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, occurs when androgens accumulate and prevent the death of prostatic cells, causing the size of the prostate gland to increase. Almost all men experience enlarged prostate as they get older, except those whose testicles were removed at a young age due to testicular cancer. Prostate enlargement is not cancer and doesn't raise the risk of cancer. But while it's not usually a health threat, it can lead to urinary and sexual difficulties. These difficulties affect the quality of your life. Prostate health is vital, as without it man cannot produce seminal fluid that carries sperm cells. That's the reason remedies are provided to shrink the prostate gland and control the impact of the enlargement. Let's dive into 7 teas that would shrink an enlarged prostate and improve your prostate health. Number 1. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea has been used for centuries for its health and medicinal benefits. From having sedative effects to treating menstrual cramps, it contains anti-inflammatory properties that boost and improve different angles of human health. It's known to help in the treatment of irritable bowel syndrome, as well as help reduce blood sugar levels. Recent research shows that chamomile tea contains flavonoids such as epinephrine, which are powerful anti-cancer compounds and can help reduce risk of cancer development. Flavonoids in chamomile have been linked with reduced risk of prostate cancer in men and also help in shrinking an enlarged prostate. Regular drinking of this super tea will have great effects on your prostate health. Number 2. Green tea. Green tea is one tea that stands high in health potentials. Rich with anti-inflammatory properties, green tea helps to ease inflammation in the prostate gland when you drink it regularly, helping to shrink it. This consequently lowers pressure on the urethra, making it easier to pee. Green tea also contains antibacterial and antiviral properties which help prevent or fight off infections. Men with enlarged prostate often have difficulty in emptying their bladders completely, and this raises the risk of infections. Drinking green tea regularly can help fight off infections, both viral and bacterial. This will help you in urine flow and control frequent urination or difficulty in urination. You will be spared the problems of urinary tract infections. Its true green tea contains caffeine, which can be unpalatable for men with enlarged prostate. However, the quantity is much lesser than you will find in coffee or traditional tea. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties in green tea outweigh any negatives. Green tea contains a particular antioxidant called polyphenol catechin, which is the active nutrient that supports prostate health. The antioxidants in green tea lowers the levels of dihydrotestosterone, DHT, the hormone responsible for the growth of prostate. Reduced levels of DHT reduces the risk of developing enlarged prostate. Polyphenol catechins in green tea controls the secretion of DHT, promotes normal prostate size, and protects you from having an enlarged prostate. If you're struggling with an enlarged prostate at the moment, you can discuss with your doctor the idea of drinking green tea regularly to help shrink the prostate. Number 3. Saw palmetto tea. Saw palmetto tea has become famous due to its potential to reduce prostate inflammation. In the early 1900s, Native American men used the berries of saw palmetto to treat urinary tract infections and even increase sperm production and enhance sex drive. Today, the major use of saw palmetto is in treating enlarged prostates. Studies have shown that it contains anti-inflammatory properties, which enhance prostate health. Drinking saw palmetto tea on a regular basis alleviates prostate inflammation. A study noted that when saw palmetto was combined with lycopene and selenium, there was a significant rise in anti-inflammatory activity in the body. Researchers are also of the opinion that saw palmetto tea may help in regulating the level of testosterone in your body, which would help reduce the amount of an enzyme that increases the growth of prostate cells. Do you know that saw palmetto tea can be used to treat loss of libido without side effects? Another study suggests that saw palmetto may actually shrink the size of the prostate gland. But before you start drinking saw palmetto tea, regularly talk to your healthcare provider about it for further guidance. Number 4. Nettle tea. Nettle tea can be made from the leaves of nettle, also called stinging or common nettle, which is the common name for Urtica dioica, a wild perennial herbaceous plant. Nettle leaves, stems and roots have long been used to treat several conditions such as prostate enlargement. It was also used to promote urination and heal joint pain. It will interest you to know that the leaves of nettle can be used as vegetables and soups. Nettle is enriched with vital nutrients such as calcium, copper, zinc, magnesium, iron, potassium, vitamin A, B, C, and K. Also important are the compounds in nettle, which include flavonoids, polyphenols, carotenoids, and tannins, which promote good health. This powerhouse plant also contains antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, anti-ulcer, and hypertensive properties, making it very effective in promoting prostate health. Recent studies show nettle can reduce the increase of prostate cells and cancer cells in the prostate gland. This effectively helps the enlarged prostate to shrink. A 2013 study in Iran showed that nettle tea helps in treating prostate disease. In 3 clinical trials on patients with enlarged prostate, nettle had a better effect in reducing patients' clinical symptoms than placebo, and with no side effects. As a result of the desirable outcome of the study, nettle is recommended to be used in treating patients with BPA. If you are looking for remedies to reduce or shrink an enlarged prostate, you may consider incorporating nettle tea in your regular diet. Remember, all remedies require moderation. Number 5. Dandelion tea. You can make dandelion tea from the leaves and roots of the dandelion plant. And do you know that for ages, this plant has been used in treating different ailments, from reducing inflammation to detoxifying the liver? Today, there's evidence that dandelion tea may help in reducing the size of an enlarged prostate. A study involving rats showed that those that consumed dandelion tea had significantly smaller prostate than those who didn't take the tea. While we need more research to confirm these findings in humans, dandelion tea may help in treating enlarged prostate. Also used for its culinary properties, modern science supports some of the claims from the past about dandelions. If you have an enlarged prostate, drinking dandelion tea on a regular basis may help shrink and treat the condition. Fortified with vitamins, flavonoids, sterols, and minerals, dandelions fight off urinary tract infections and also have diuretic effects. Drinking dandelion tea promotes free-flow urination, which detoxifies your liver and kidney. This tea will keep your bladder in a much healthier condition and ultimately help reduce the size of an enlarged prostate. Number 6. Hibiscus tea. This tart and tangy-flavored tea is packed with lots of antioxidants that may help in reducing blood pressure. Test tube studies note that hibiscus tea may also help slow down the growth of cancer cells in the prostate. While more studies are needed to confirm its impact on enlarged prostate, hibiscus tea may help shrink an enlarged prostate. You can make the tea with dried or fresh hibiscus leaves. You can serve it hot or cold, and to make it more appetizing, you can add honey and a squeeze of fresh lemon to it. Please know that hibiscus can affect blood sugar levels and blood pressure. Do not drink hibiscus tea within 2 weeks of scheduled surgery. And please discuss with your doctor before drinking hibiscus tea on a regular basis. Number 7. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is rich with lots of nutrients like vitamins and minerals that help promote blood circulation, muscle, and nerve functions. Drinking ginger tea regularly will give you lots of powerful components such as vitamin A, C, and E, zinc, beta-carotene, and other antioxidants that protect the prostate from harmful free radicals. Ginger helps in blocking an enzyme that promotes cancer development called 5-lipoxygenase. It helps lower the risk of cancer and even helps shrink tumors in the prostate. Drinking ginger tea on a regular basis will promote your prostate health and may help shrink the size of the prostate. While drinking any of these teas may help shrink an enlarged prostate, you should discuss with your doctor before incorporating them in your diet. Avoid excessive stress and fatigue. Drink plenty of water, like at least 2 liters a day. As water is an essential component in the purification and absorption process. Engage in a healthy sex life and don't hold back urine. Be moderate. Have you taken any of these teas in connection with prostate health? What were your experiences? Please tell us in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more of our interesting videos.